Welcome back to Drinks Made Easy, because cocktails don't have to be complicated. Today we're taking a look at a classic that somehow we have managed to not make in all of the years of Drinks Made Easy, and that is the Vieux Carré. Now the Vieux Carré stands for the Old Square, or in New Orleans that is the French Quarter. So this drink was created in the 1930s by Walter Bergeron. It shows up in the 1938 book of Famous New Orleans Cocktails and How to Make Them on page 53. This cocktail has been made a number of ways over the years and is basically a variation on the Manhattan of using a split base as the primary elements, two types of bitters, and a bit of Benedictine to round it out. If you have never had this before and you love classic cocktails, you have been missing out. And if you haven't had it because we haven't made it for you yet, we apologize in advance. But without any further ado, let's make a Vieux Carré. Today we're going to build the Vieux Carré in the glass. However, there are a lot of different preparations where you could also build it in a Yari, stir it, and either serve it up or put it over a new fresh piece of ice in a glass. All of these techniques are equally valid, so if you have never tried the other ones, highly recommend it. But today we're going to build it in the glass, starting with 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, followed by 2 dashes of Peychaud bitters, 3/4 of an ounce of cognac, 3/4 of an ounce of rye, 3/4 of an ounce of sweet vermouth, and 1 bar spoon, or roughly 1 teaspoon of Benedictine. Using a large block of ice, we're going to gently place that into the glass so it doesn't splash all over the place, and give it a nice little stir, bring it down to dilution and temperature. Garnish with an expressed peel of lemon. And now there's a lot of different variations of this. The original recipe calls for a lemon twist and then an optional cherry, which we will be using, or also a slice of pineapple, but I don't see that all that often. I do often, though, see folks using a peel of orange, which is also delicious. But today we're using that peel of lemon and the cherry, and easy as that, you have the Vieux Carré. If you're a fan of Manhattans and Old Fashions, this is a phenomenal Manhattan variation. All of the complex flavors that come from that split base of cognac with the rye and then rounding that out with a little bit of that Benedictine, it's just a phenomenal cocktail. I love this on the rocks, but I also love it up. Again, if you haven't had any of these in all the combinations, try them out and let us know what you think. Cheers from Drinks Made Easy. Delish. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or there's videos you want to see, whether they are with booze or without, please be sure to leave a comment. If you enjoyed it, be sure to smash the like button and share it with your friends. And if you hated it, well, tell your enemies about us. Cheers from Drinks Made Easy.